Do ba da ba 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 da ba ba. So my kids and I were in the car and they were listening to a really cool song, and I said, "Hey, what song is this?" And they said this is called The Spectre by Alan Walker. And I said, "Hey, let me try and figure it out and play it on accordion." They didn't seem very enthusiastic, but that's okay. But I thought, let's do it together. So I've kind of heard the song, but I haven't really tried to play it. But let me show you what it's like to pick it up by ear. As a music educator, I'll try and explain the song, the chord changes, and by the end of it, in about 5 to 6 minutes, I'll try and play through it. We'll see what it's like. So, I googled Alan Walker, The Spectre. 1.2 billion people have heard the song before. It's going to be 1.20001. Let's listen. There. I think they've been listening to a remix of it. Yeah. So to learn a song, the easiest way to learn a song is to already have it in your head. Ba ba da ba 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 da ba ba. Go something like that. Meaning, if I show up to you and I go, "Hey, do you know The Spectre?" You're gonna say ba ba da ba 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 da ba ba. Just like if I say, "Hey, do you know da 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 da? Mary had a little lamb." Same idea. Let's learn by ear how to play it. Ba. I landed on a note that sounds like the note that's happening. Totally by coincidence. They're free ear training exercises on Accordion Love, but I know one of the notes is A. What chord is under that A? It could be an A major, could be an F major, could be, I think those are the two major chords. Could be a D minor, could be an A minor, but it sounds like a happy one. It's not an F major. Let's listen again. Pa. I'm going to try and find the chord. Is it an A major? Yes. When I tried the F major, right, I'm going to play both chords for you. First the A major. But we nodded. Let's try that F major under it. We made this with our face. So, we know that a chord in that progression is A major. You probably know how to play an A major on guitar, on any instrument, on piano, on cello, A major. This tells me that we're within this region of chords. Ba. The first chord, though, we wound up in A major. Let's figure out what the other chords are. I know it's probably going to be a D major, E major, F sharp minor, B minor. Those are going to be the chords we're in this region of the accordion. It's probably not going to be C major, or F major, or B flat. We're not down there. Let's listen and use our ear. I'm going to try and match the first chord here. There it is. C sharp minor is the root of the song. This is the first chord of the song. C sharp minor. On guitar you could play this. I could play C sharp minor on recorder, on any instrument, on piano. C sharp minor to the A, because we found it before. Next chord I could already predict. E major to the B, ba 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 ba. Do ba da ba 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 da ba ba da 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 ba ba. Those are the bones of the song. That's the foundation of the song. Anyways, I'll keep going and let's try and actually get the melody right. I'll keep listening to this. Now I'm using ear training. The notes of the... I can't stop teaching. The notes of the melody are the notes of the chord. Ba 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 ba, A major, right? C sharp minor, connecting note. We wind up on A major. Next notes are going to be part of an E major. I believe that's the melody. Let's listen and let's make sure that it's correct. A little bit different. Oh, I minimized it. Beautiful. Ba 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 ba. Instead of it's right now we can start playing with how do we want to present the song. Let's see that we're finishing it correctly. Same chords. So, it frees up your playing. Whether you're playing this on guitar, whether you're playing this on melodica, right away we could play. We can accompany this song on recorder, on any instrument that could play notes, which is what instruments are for. And again, it came from being able to identify a note by ear. And again, I have, if you go to accordionlove.com, you can do this without needing any money. Under resources, there are free learning resources. Ear training without sheet music. How do you train your ear? Do these exercises where I play a few notes a few times and you try and play them on your instrument, whether on guitar, accordion, piano. that trains your ear to finding that first note. Knowledge of chords helps you place the chord under the note, and then understanding common chord progressions. This one was beautiful. The minor third to the 1 to the 5, etc. There was no 4 in there. But again, understanding how chords are connected, and then understanding that the melody is given in the notes of the chord. Yeah. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're interested in learning all of these things, there's a 1-week free trial to accordionlove.com. There's a worldwide community of learners. I encourage you to check it out. Thank you.